Here's how you can search only for kill order in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 multiplayer. So first click on multiplayer, then go down to find a match. Now different options appear, Nuketown and the normal quick play finder, game finder. And on the right, if you hover over find a match, you have this little filter option. On top you have two different modes, core and hardcore, and now you can just select and deselect all unwanted or wanted game modes. Select your kill order in core, or the same is for hardcore, and then click on the top on find a match or go back, and now click on find a match. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.